The University of Texas is in court again today, fighting for the right to admit students based on their race. Today, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals heard from both sides. KXAN's David Scott joining us live downtown with more on today's proceedings.
Robert, as you know, this is a court fight that has been dragging out for years. It's going to drag out a little while longer. Originally, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, a federal court, ruled in favor of the UT race-based admissions policy. However, this past June, the U.S. Supreme Court tossed it back, saying not good enough. It's not been proven that there was no workable alternative to racial administration policies. So now, today, the lawyers and the judges were right back here in the courthouse thrashing it all out again. The case involves Abigail Fisher. She's a Stephen F. Austin graduate, just missing out on the top 10 academic performance in high school that would have meant an automatic admission. And she says the racial-based formula then finished off her chances. Fisher says that students with lesser academic credentials got in, but not her. So the arguments came all again from the lawyers. UT says it will fight this to the finish, and so does Abigail.
Our determination to defend our admission policy has not wavered. The University of Texas has a compelling interest in achieving the educational benefits of a diverse student body.
I'm going to fight for other people's rights. I would expect other people, I would like other people to fight for my rights, so I'm fighting for everyone's rights here.
That's great.
Now, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals usually hears cases in New Orleans where they're based, but they came here to Austin special just for this case. And considering that they were chastened by the Supreme Court, that they didn't do enough due diligence on this case originally, it is expected that they will take many months now to formulate and write up a legal basis for whatever new decision they come up with. That could take quite a while, and then this case could still go back to the Supreme Court. Downtown, David Scott, KXAN News.
This case dates back to 2008 when Abigail Fisher applied to the University of Texas and was denied admission. She filed suit saying the university discriminated against her, violating the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The case made its way through district court to the appeals court and eventually to the Supreme Court earlier this year.